So Nokia is here at another racetrack following up from our really successful trial in January at Las Vegas. And we're installing a 4K 360 camera into some cars here at Richmond. And we're going to stream during a live race.
We're really excited to be a part of this team where we're providing game-changing technology for fans with brand new experiences to where you can ride along in the cockpit with your favorite driver for the entirety of the race. Bosch is able to leverage their experience in professional motorsport and connectivity to create a robust package that can survive in this harsh racing environment.
Google has been one of the advocates for flexible spectrum policies from the very onset. And that advocacy, along with many others, has now led to the creation of the Citizens Broadband Radio Service. That service enables companies like NASCAR, your enterprise, your building, your home, to have a massive amount of spectrum it can use to create high-quality private networks, just like carriers have traditionally created. Here we're going to show what we can do with that spectrum to create a whole new experience for race fans, to create a 360 view of what's going on in the car, where you can look ahead or you can look to the right, left, or even behind to see the car coming up. You are sitting next to the driver. Only possible because of the bandwidth we can now provide to people in their own networks. And that's really important if we're going to find new ways to innovate in wireless.
So broadcasters such as the ones here at this event are looking for better, more immersive experiences to be able to offer the fans. Our technology is creating a really enhanced experience and giving viewers a chance to be places that they've just never been before.